Hi. Okay, so the question here is comparative advantage, right? Absolute advantage you got right because United States can make more tacos if they do only tacos versus Mexico. So that's right. Now, comparative advantage in producing tacos is with Mexico, which is correct. But let's see how you got there. So first, you know that the United States, if they do tacos, they can produce 260, right? That's over here. If they only do hamburgers, they can do 240. Now, Mexico, if they only do tacos, they can do 120. If they only do hamburgers, they can do a total of 24. So now, first we have to calculate the comparative advantage. So the opportunity cost for the US of a hamburger is tacos divided by hamburgers, right? Because it's per hamburger. So it's 216 divided by 240, which is 9/10. Now, the opportunity cost for Mexico of a hamburger is, again, tacos divided by hamburgers. So here it's 120 tacos divided by 24 hamburgers, which is a much bigger number. That's 5. Tacos. So US has a lower opportunity cost, and US really does have comparative advantage in hamburgers, and Mexico has a comparative advantage in tacos. So now, if they specialize, US makes hamburgers, so we are going to have a total of, I am trying to find something that I can't find. I can here. So after specialization, US is making hamburgers. So we're going to have 240 hamburgers. Mexico is going to make tacos. So Mexico has now 120 tacos. That's after specialization. That's the best they can do. So 240 hamburgers and 120 tacos. That's what they can do. Now, this problem says, okay, they're producing on their own. US has 160 tons of hamburgers. So total of hamburgers, we now have 160. And Mexico is making 16, so that's plus 16, which is 176. Now for tacos, it says US is making 72 tons. And Mexico is making 40. So that's 112. Now we know that as a possibility, we could have 240, but now we only have 176. So the difference, which is what this question is asking for, how many more tons can be produced if they combined? The difference between 240 and 176 is they could make 64 more tons of hamburgers, and they're making 112 tons right now separately. If they specialize and Mexico makes all the tacos, they could make a total of 120, which is 8 more tons of tacos. And these are the numerical, this should be 8. These are the answers. Hopefully this helps.